Hi everybody, welcome to this new video on the tape port monitor. I've currently finished the soldering of the additional data cables for the tape port connector, the blue one, and I've also changed the interface slightly so that now when a name is found is printed on the second row of the screen. Let's see how it goes. I've also changed the screws so that now they are fitting nicely on the case. And there you go on the second row. There is the name, silkworm, which is what I'm actually playing back. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.